as a food entrepreneur, I start memang from zero.
Before that, I really lost. I kind of cannot find my directions.
Sebagai seorang penjual makanan, pernah juga lah sebelum tu fikir sini nak dapatkan ilmu, sini nak dapatkan sources, sini nak dapatkan mentor untuk how to push myself go beyond.
So for me, I think the hardest moment was at the beginning of my business because we started it out of desperation. Tissue lah.
I can say it's the loneliness of doing everything alone and by ourselves that is very hard.
So we started it out of desperation. No money to eat, no money to pay rent. Thank God, Tuhan tolong, our business helped a lot. And thank God, throughout the early stage of our business, we bumped into SAGO.
At that time, I want to start my business and I have no directions and I start asking ChatGPT. Then the ChatGPT showed me the result and there is one is SAGO Incubator.
I see the poster SAGO. I thought SAGO yang kita masak.
Syukur Alhamdulillah terpilih dalam SAGO Incubator. And then dalam SAGO Incubator tu actually is macam-macam ilmu yang boleh dapat.
We learned a lot, a lot. It cleared my head so much, give me so many new directions, so many new dimensions.
For me, my favorite part is BNC.
How to do all the bookkeeping.
Branding 的方式
help to build the business mindset and also giving the right support and resources.
When we have one-to-one sharing session with the original business owner.
可以讲说是前辈他们分享的一些经验，我觉得这是我从SAGO拿到最珍贵的东西。
A lot of mentors here, they really want you to be good. Because of that, I find my directions through all those advices actually.
SAGO had gave me some exposure, and then I start to get some orders. It's the first time, not me going to people to push my product, it's people coming to me.
And then now, Alhamdulillah dah masuk ke Petronas, Sigit Petronas kan.
When I know my direction already, so when I go for it, it shows very fast result.
Personally, I changed. Now I feel more confident to speak in public, and the way I make decisions is based on what I learned in class. And for my business wise, I feel like it really opened my mind a lot.
Oh, wait, I can get this. Macam ni boleh dapatkan jalan untuk menuju ke arah satu pencapaian dalam bisnes. Semuanya terjawab di SAGO Incubator.
If you have a food business, a home-based business, if you're a small business owner, this is a great chance for you to explore your possibilities.
I really am very thankful I was chosen to be part of SAGO. The things that I've learned throughout SAGO, it really, really, really helped me throughout the journey, the early journey of my business. So jangan tak join, you have to join.